Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about wild animals. Let's go! Tiger. Tiger's sound is roar. Fun fact, tigers are excellent swimmers. Lion. Lion sound is roar. Fun fact, a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Monkey. The monkey sound is chatter. Fun fact, monkeys use their tails to balance and sometimes to hold on to things. Elephant. The elephant sound is trumpet. Fun fact, elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. Deer. The deer's sound is bleat. Fun fact, deer have a good sense of hearing and can detect sounds from far away. Parrot. The parrot sound is squawk. Fun fact, parrots can mimic human speech. Giraffe. The giraffe's sound is hum. Fun fact, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Bear. The bear's sound is growl. Fun fact, bears have an excellent sense of smell, better than dogs. Fox. The fox's sound is bark. Fun fact, foxes have whiskers on their legs to help them navigate. Zebra. The zebra's sound is bray. Fun fact, each zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros sound is grunt. Fun fact, a group of rhinos is called a crash. Hyena. The hyena's sound is laugh. It sounds like laughing. Fun fact, hyenas have very strong jaws that can crush bones. Sloth. The sloth sound is quiet squeak. Fun fact, sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur. Crocodile. The crocodile sound is hiss. Fun fact, crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for up to an hour. Gorilla. The gorilla's sound is hoot. Fun fact, gorillas can learn sign language to communicate with humans. Peacock. The peacock's sound is scream. Fun fact, peacocks can fly short distances despite their large size and heavy tail feathers. Hippo. The hippo sound is grunt. Fun fact, hippos can hold their breath for about 5 minutes underwater. Koala. The koala sound is bellow. Fun fact, koalas sleep up to 18 hours a day. Hope you had fun! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time!